morning, everybody. Well, making some breakfast. I've got some sausages here, and I'm going to make some grits to go with it. So I'm just heating them up in a pan and till they're all warm and everything. Hope you guys are having a great day. What are some of the things you guys like to eat for breakfast? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you. For my grits, I just pour out about a 1/4 cup of grits. I do it the easy way, just kind of guesstimate. And then I do it in the microwave. So I'm just going to add some water. Okay. And then I'll just microwave this for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'll give it a little stir. Alright, so for the sausages, I just added some water so I can finish cooking these and they don't stick so much. And get some of that brown bits off the bottom. So I'll just leave this on, it's like a medium heat. And the grits are cooking. Okay, grits just came out of the microwave. They're almost like a mashed potato-y texture, but not quite. I don't know. This is how I like them. Some people do them different, probably. To this, I'm going to add some cheese, a little bit of salt, pepper, some garlic powder. Alright, just going to give this a stir. Get all that cheese melted. And I was just thinking I might slice up some jalapeno and cook that with the sausages. I got a whole bag of jalapenos for $1, so I'm trying to use them up. And I guess it's that time of the year, you know, they're in season. Go over here. Sausages are getting there. I think I'll add a little bit more water just so they don't stick so much. Okay, I just sliced up some jalapeno. Just going to add them to my pan. So these sausages are actually cheddar jalapeno, so I'm getting double extra. But I took the seeds out, so it's not going to be so spicy. Hopefully. Alright folks, here's the finished video or product or my grits with the sausage and jalapeno. Okay. Hope you all have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.